Like everything is new, the sunburst flowers calling on Mondays overdue. But I like everything is new, the sunburst flowers calling on Mondays overdue.
Hey, Niria, usaure moyo kaneria. Niria, usaure moyo kaneria. Maria newe, variko vamwe vanorarama neraki.
Wakamuka zvako. Wale gogo. Mana gogo. Chipi. Chana tai gogo. Not tai gogo ndo zabuti. Not tai gogo. Hey there, Potato Nation. What is up and welcome back to yet another Chihera vlog. Today we are Kumusha. So I'm just gonna vlog my day, show you guys around. We're in MUREHWA. It's a Sunday and it's around 2:30, 3 o'clock. So the sun is intense. So I'm probably gonna show you guys around later, but I did just want to check in, say hi. Hope you guys are having a great Sunday and subscribe. Okay, so just FYI. Hi Papa.
Hi Mama.
Hi Manu. Hi. So my grandmother's house is not the most like rural Kumusha setting. It's like semi-modern, semi-rural. So you know, bear that in mind. I don't want to hear no comments about Kumusha. Okay, so we're just gonna go on a little like mini tour situation of the whole place. So these are the toilets. That's the toilet, and that's the male bathroom there, the female bathroom there. There's a tap right in the middle for, I don't know, I guess for water, because they bath with buckets, so it makes sense. And then everywhere else is Chibage. I'm pretty sure we all know like the whole vibe situation. This is Nzungu, so Kwesogo kule Nzungu chere, and then Kumberi Kwesogo as well, Chibage. And then as you go down, this is the chicken coop. All the chickens are out because I mean, they go out into the yard and eat whatever they marodran. All of this, the brown stuff is Ndungu, and then the white stuff over here, Chibage. So, because they harvested recently. So, you know, this is the gazebo, which is where we cook if we're cooking outside. This is where we light our fires and we chill at night. Even when we don't cook with the fire, we come in here and we sit and we eat our supper in here. And then this is the outdoor sink situation. I think. This is the sink situation. So it's got two like farmhouse style sinkholes, and then the tap, and then this is where you put your plates to dry. You know. This is my gogo's borehole well situation, whatever you want to call it. It's got a cover and it's locked because the kids, nobody wants to have any sort of mistakes. This is her water tank, you know. This rock, guys, right here, I used to be bathed on this thing like when I was a child. I remember we used to bath on this and it used to be so big to us and we'd have so much fun. I used to be bathing in front of everyone and I'd be here taking a bath, just like, you know, in the nude, not feeling a thing. Damn, it must have been fun being a child. Growing up is a scam. And this is all now the backyard. There's a big bush in the way. I don't want to go behind it, but all of this we said is just Chibage, and it's really tall. Like, yo, my grandmother is a farmer. Okay. Over there we've got like storage. Sun is so sharp, right? It's just those are two storerooms, and then over there that's like extra housing for the gardener and the maid. Basically that's the outside of the house and everything that's outside, and then now I'm gonna take you guys inside. Okay, so we're in the kitchen right now, and as soon as you walk in, there's a bench, and that's just where we sit and chill and talk when we're cooking. Then you go into the table. This is where we have our breakfast whenever we stay Kumusha. It's a mess because I was making dinner and my sister was trying to put groceries away at the same time. So blame my sister. Then you've got these buckets. They normally just have water for cooking and stuff, and some of my gogo's pots are on display. And then you go into the fireplace and there's more pots in the hari. And then there's this little contraption here, which my gogo uses to make peanut butter, which she makes the best. And the stove, because we were cooking, nobody was willing to cook on the fire because nobody was willing to start a fire to begin with. So then we've got the cupboards, and they're just stocked full of pots, plates, cutlery, food, and all that fun stuff. And then you've got my grandmother's teacups, coffee mugs, all that fun stuff. Okay. Then moving swiftly along, there's the fridge. Focus. Okay. There's the fridge, and then there's this little guy. I don't know what's inside it, but yeah. So here's the rest of the house. This is the lounge area, and there's a TV and decoder. It's got DSTV because the younger grandkids said, if you want us to stay here during Christmas, you better put DSTV. This is my grandmother's room, and then this is the display unit with my grandmother's favorite glassware in it. Doesn't everyone's grandmother have one of these? Anyway, then there's this thing here. It normally has peanut butter in it, like I suspected. So yay! If you're watching this right now, make sure you watch all the ads so that later on in life I'm able to do my own house tours of my own house. Thank you very much. Okay. And then moving on to the left, there is an extra room that nobody uses. This is supposed to be the room that people like me stay in when we come over for the holidays. But my grandmother makes me and my 3-year-old son sleep in her room with her because she thinks we need that much protection. Anyway, moving on from there, there is one more room. It's just a room with random extra stuff. So yeah. No. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Wanna say hi guys?
Hi guys.
Where are we going, Jessie?
That way.
What's this?
The car.
The cows. Yeah, can you see them? I can see them.
I see the car.
You see the cows? You wanna help mommy count them? Come. Jessie's holding Manu's hand, but Jessie's the one who's actually scared. Manu's having... It's not a who, it's a moo. Can you say moo? Moo. A cow. The cows. You want to help mommy count them? Okay, let's start. 1, yeah. 2, good job. Come, Jessie. 3, okay, keep counting.
4,
Yeah.
5,
Okay.
6,
Okay.
7,
Yes.
and 8.
And 8. There's way more than that, but good job counting, Popo.
Bye, cow.
Manu, say bye, cows.
Bye.
Okay, let's go back. But the kids are doing this nonsense. And like, when will we get there? I was like, yeah, we'll be home at like 5 o'clock. Right now it's like 5:45, and we're still doing this. So yeah. And we haven't even had supper yet. We cooked, but we haven't had our supper yet. And all of that. And I'm still not gonna need to like give the kids a bath before we leave because they're probably gonna just pass out. Like they're going to go to sleep as soon as we get into the car. So I won't be able to give them a bath when we get home. So I don't know, I guess it So we're probably gonna leave here at like 7 or 8, which is still fine. And 8 one. Moni. Don't step on that. That's poop. That's cow poo. Come, you're wearing boots. It's fine. You're wearing boots. It's okay. Yeah, that's a big cow poop. You passed it. Good job. Let's go quickly. What are you holding?
The little fish.
Little fish. What are you gonna do to them?
To cook.
To cook? Okay. Okay.
Madiro, Madiro, with Madiro. What shall we do?
A what?
It's
It's
okay.
a what?
It's okay.
It's a cave? Okay. Guys, I think I'm just gonna end my vlog here because this day is not ending. Clearly, we're so far from going home. And the light is going, it's just getting dark and stuff. So I think I'm just going to end the vlog here. But yeah, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. You know, next week we'll be back. Next weekend we'll be back with another lit vlog. You know, today's vlog was a bit more chilled, a bit more family centric and everything. So Manu, that's not our gate. Excuse me, that's not our gate. Thank you. Yeah, today's vlog was a bit more family centered and everything. So the next vlog will be definitely more fun, more potato mommy. The next vlog will definitely be more potato mommy meets the wines type vibes. So subscribe to the channel for some wholesome content. Oh yeah, go she made it herself, so you know it's bussin'. Anyway, for me, potato mommy, that is it. I'm sending you guys love and light. Bye.
Bye.
Look at this one. Look at this one.
Bye.
Bye.